Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to see grade 9 chapter 4. This is in action.
Question number 1. Which scientist is known for the book Azul Bono, which blends science and culture? Answer option B. BGL Swami.
Question number 2. What is the point on a plant stem where branches or leaves arise? Answer option C. Node. Question number 3. Which meristem is responsible for a hedge becoming bushy after being cut? Answer option C. Intercalary meristem. Question number 4. Which bacterium is used as a tool to introduce useful genes into plants? Answer option B. Agrobacterium. Question number 5. The transpiration pool is created in which tissue? Answer option B. Xylem. Question number 6. Tumor-like swellings in plants called crown gall are caused by? Answer option B. Bacteria. Acrobacterium tumor fascinis. Question number 7. What is the ability of a single plant cell to develop into a whole plant? Answer option B. Totipotence. Question number 8. Who used phloem cells of carrot to develop a complete plant in a lab? Answer option B. F. C. Stewart. Question number 9. International Yoga Day is observed on? Answer option B. 21st June. Question number 10. Human beings have dash pair of rib? Answer option B. 12. Question number 11. The backbone is also known as the? Answer option B. Vertebral column. Question number 12. In an adult male, muscle makes up about dash percent of body weight? Answer option B. 40 to 50%. Question number 13. The long fiber of neuron that carries messages away from the cell is the? Answer option B. Axon. Question number 14. The musculoskeletal system includes all except? Answer option C. Nervous system. Question number 15. Bone mass account for approximately dash percent of body weight in all adults? Answer option B. 12 to 15%. Question number 16. Cartilage provides flexibility and dash to the end bone? Answer option B. Cushioning. Question number 17. The watery jelly-like matrix in blood is called? Answer option B. Plasma. Question number 18. Iron-rich protein in RBC is called? Answer option B. Hemoglobin. Question number 19. What is found at infected areas, often causing pus formation? Answer option C. WBC. Question number 20. Red blood cell typically live for about? Answer option B. 4 months or 120 days. Questions for you. Question number 1. Which joint allows the head to move side to side like a doorknob? Question number 2. The division of labor in multicellular organism refers to. Question number 3. Which plant tissue is responsible for the formation of the bark? Thank you.